you? What is your name? Where are you from? When is your trip? Why are you talkative? How old is your father? How many phones do you have? How much does this cost? Is Mike peaceful? Are we ready? Do you know him? Did you catch the train yesterday?
Amelia is writing a letter. My assistant is making an appointment. She is paying for some articles online. Children are watching TV. I am discussing this with my sister. I am reading a newspaper. Children are watching TV. I am discussing this with my sister. I am reading a newspaper. Children are watching TV. I am discussing this with my sister. I am reading a newspaper.
My father wakes up at 8 a.m. I work out 4 days a week. Jessica plays tennis every Sunday. Kids go to school 4 days a week. Most people work hard on Monday. Emily brushes my teeth every morning. British drink tea every morning. On Tuesdays, I go to English class. The game takes place in summer.
I like rock and roll. I'm fond of this kind of dancing. I'm keen on jazz. Pizza is not my favorite food. I don't like this smell. I hate crying babies. What kind of music do you like? Who are your favorite actors? Do you enjoy helping people?
I strongly agree. I somewhat agree with him. Exactly, absolutely. I completely disagree. That's not how I see it. I couldn't agree with you more. Do you agree with this statement? Do you agree or disagree? Are we all of the same opinion?
In my free time, I like playing tennis. In my spare time, I go to the gym. My favorite hobby is dancing. I am learning to play the guitar. I like to run and play soccer. I like reading in my free time. What do you do in your free time? What is your best leisure? What do you do on holidays?
Janet should drive carefully. I recommend to visit London in summer. If I were you, I would travel for some days. What do you suggest for our next trip? What would you advise to do? When should I go to work?